Of the birds which are alive today, the most primitive group, the most basal branch of the tree, is that of the paleognathous birds. Although modern paleognathous birds are only found on southern continents and the majority of genera are flightless, the earliest fossil forms known from the Paleocene and Eocene, and perhaps even the Cretaceous, although these fossils are less definite, these are known from the northern continents, North America and Europe, and are of birds capable of flight, the extinct family Lithornithidae. At some point, it is thought that these flying birds of the family Lithornithidae made their way from the northern continents to the southern continents. Today, in Latin America, in Mexico, Central America, and South America, there is a group of paleognathous birds, the tinamous. About 47 species are known. They can fly, unlike all other modern paleognathous birds, and this suggests that the primitive condition of the paleognathous birds alive today was the ability to fly. These secretive birds, which spend much of their time on the ground, are thought to be a good model for what the general form of the Lithornithidae birds and the basal paleognathous birds were like. While there are a few paleognathous bird fossils known from Europe during the early Cenozoic, which may be related to ostriches, the first definite ostriches are known from Africa during the Miocene, although during the Pliocene, ostriches not only spread throughout Africa, but also throughout Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. So the Asian ostrich, for example, was very widespread. The two species of modern RHEA are only known from South America today. Their fossils date definitely to the Pliocene, although possible relatives are known from the Miocene and even one from the Paleocene of South America, making it arguably the earliest paleognathous bird known from South America. Adults can reach 1.7 meters in height and weigh 88 kilograms. Kiwis are small birds, only about the size of chickens. Fossils are known since the Miocene, and they are known only from New Zealand, where some are threatened by deforestation. They possess a long bill, and females can lay an egg, which is 20% of their body weight. The single species of modern emu is known only from Australia today, as are fossil species which date back to definitely the Pliocene and perhaps the Miocene, known from Australia, but also surrounding islands such as Tasmania. Adults can stand at more than 1.6 meters and weigh more than 40 kilograms. With females standing up to 2 meters and weighing more than 58 kilograms, cassowaries are the third largest birds alive today. They are only known from Australia and New Zealand, and there are 3 modern species. Their fossils are known since the Pliocene. Elephant birds are paleognathous birds, and DNA studies suggest that they are most closely related to kiwis, which is odd given that elephant birds are enormous and are known from Madagascar as opposed to the smaller kiwis known from New Zealand. These birds could have stood more than 3 meters in height, weighing more than 700 kilograms, the heaviest birds known, and they were hunted to extinction shortly after humans first arrived in Madagascar. Moas may have been the tallest birds ever known. standing more than 3.6 meters in height and weighing 230 kilograms. Their fossils are known from the Miocene to the Holocene, and DNA comparisons suggest that among the paleognathous birds, tinamous are their closest relatives, suggesting that South American flying birds made it to Antarctica when it was not yet inhabitable, and from there to New Zealand, where they evolved into these giant flightless birds. Moas were hunted to extinction shortly after humans arrived in New Zealand.